Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi. Thank you for tuning in today, and we'll have a look at this. So this here is Labrador Black LE 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. So finally they're starting to show up at the rapid pace in our showrooms and inventories, and we are going to put some accessories on it. So there's few ways how you can go about Outlander hood emblems. So there are those ones that I've seen already quite a few times on just the regular Outlanders, right? So they're black, they're chrome, and they're satin. And this is option that it's made exclusively for the PHEV. Of course, you can put them on your regular Outlander as well, but this is for the PHEV. And as we can see, it's a little bit, it's blue like this, just to kind of like, you know, match it with this whole electric theme. And it has this nice chrome outline around it. So on this vehicle, we already put few accessories. We put side moldings, we put those chrome scuff plates and a chrome bumper plate. But right now we'll put this nice looking Outlander hood emblem, and we'll see how it goes. And it'll have nice chrome outline right here. Few simple steps. First you clean the surface, then you put this template on the hood where it should go, and then you just remove letters one by one and stick them on. Very simple thing to do, but you gotta take your time, not rush. And right now let's go and put this template on where it should be. And let's put this template on. It's quite easy. Where the letter A is, we just match it with Mitsubishi logo, the 3 diamonds, and we can see the perfect spot where it should be. We do that, and then the rest we just line up with the line, with the hood line where it should be, right? So we put here. If you need to, you can put extra tape right here. Okay, we'll line up the hood. Perfect. We're happy what we see. Again, just make sure you don't rush. Do it slowly. I've done it a few times, so I kind of I can rush, but you don't rush, okay? So and now we just take these letters one by one. First, we want to always match it where it needs to be, make sure everything's good. Once we're happy with it, we flip it over, remove it, and boom. So now I just press it a little bit, then once we're done, I'm going to press it a little bit more. This, by the way, is all good if you go through car washes and everything else. Just let it sit in for a few days. Okay. And also the other thing is, if you know, I don't know if you're watching this video, it could be wintertime, could be summertime, all depends. But make sure the vehicle itself is the right temperature when you do it, the metal part. Right now we just took it out of the showroom, so we're fine. Otherwise, I'd say it's maybe a little bit too cold outside to do it. Do it in your garage, underground parking, something like that. I love to install these hood emblems because I think from all the accessories, the hood emblem is one that gives you the biggest visual effect, and it's such a small accessory, small thing, but gives such a big impression. Absolutely love it. I think first one was Range Rover who started that, then Ford Explorer had some too, but Mitsubishi doesn't put anything from the factory, so that's why we have to do it ourselves, which is fine. Honestly, it gives you so much pride and happiness once you do it yourself, and then you look at it every day and you see, like, yeah, I did it myself, I installed it. Looks absolutely great. Okay, letter E is a little bit tricky because these are a little bit loose right here. You know what I mean? Okay. Right here, okay, excellent. Last but not least, okay, there we go. Now that everything's on, we want to fasten them a little bit like this. Like I said, they glue on nicely, go through car washes totally fine after a few days. Okay. And there we go. Let's check out the end result. This is how it turned out. I really like the part where it has this chrome here. It really goes together with everything else chrome we have going on. And this blue Outlander, the blue lettering, gives us a hint that this is the electric one. it goes well together, where you know, all other manufacturers, well, there's like some that do push to start buttons blue, or some other elements just to resemble the electricity, and this is how it looks. So I think it finishes off really nice whatever we have going on with the chrome here on the dynamic shield, the side moldings, the scuff plates, and other parts. So really happy how it turned out. Like I said, if you want to choose a different style, you can put just the regular chrome and everything else. There's no difference in the hood shapes or size or anything like that. PHEV and regular gas Outlander is the same. So there we go. You can find them at mrmitsubishi.ca. Place your order now. Free shipping to most places. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next videos.